Hey, it's Michael. We just learned how to write our books using ChatGPT and AI. And now we're going to hop over to proofreading and editing. Proofreading gets rid of all the grammar incorrections and it makes everything flow better and makes everything just a lot better. So if you hop over to homeschoolauthor.com, I created the prompt that all you have to do is just copy and paste it. It's super easy. And now you're going to want to throw it in a new chat. So before you do this though, you will want to put in the details. So I wrote a science fiction book. In my case, it's not book, it's bonus chapters for a book. And my audience is juvenile. I'd like you to do the proofreading, copying, editing, line work, etc. It knows what it wants to do. And the book is, all right, and to find out how much words your book is, you just want to copy and paste everything. Just go on Google and search up like word counter or something. So like right here, it says I have 943 words, 5,304 characters. So 943, I'm going to tell that to chat, is 943 words long. And now you want to give chat some reference on what it has. So I'm going to say, I will send you a paragraph at a time. These are my bonus chapters for my completed book. I want you to do your magic and do what I explained above. Thanks. And see right here, I just sent it the very first paragraph of what I wrote. So let's see what it comes back with. Notice how it's not changing my words a ton, but it did some, so it like just makes it a little bit better, which is a lot better. Now on to paragraph 2. I'm just going to repeat this process. Very easy. So this is paragraph 2 right now, and send. Now it's doing that. So it just put in chapter 1, and now it just fixed chapter 2. Oh, no changes necessary. Okay, that's good. Now on to chapter 3. I'm going to tell it that it doesn't need to write the entire book out again. That just needs to change the chapter that I gave it. Now I'm going to give it chapter 3. Now I'm going to give it paragraph 3. Cool. And now let's do the process again for paragraph 4. And now hopefully you understand how to use this proofreading process. This is what I personally used for my book up on Amazon. This is what I found to be the easiest and most efficient way, just feeding it paragraph by paragraph, or in my case, it was chapter by chapter because my chapters were shorter. And it's very simple, very straightforward, not too much like technicality that you need to do. All you need to do is just grab that prompt from my website, and I'll link it in the description below. And that's it. This is very simple, very easy to do. I hope you found some value out of this. Thank you.